Maing udto bay. Ay. It's been very cold lately nya wala gyud ko ka kuan kalugar og update sa akong mga vlogs and everything, but yeah, it's very cold. Also, naga-try mag-prepare because I don't know if I've mentioned it. We need to move to another house kay ibaligya na ni mong balay. It's been a good place here. Baligya na, and we're gonna move to another place because nag-iya yan na ng kwawon. So there's a 60 days notice. Awkward itong accent. There's a 60-day notice 60-day notice nga kuan nga mabalin balay. And yeah, moving is fine, pero kung daga nakagamit, I need to get rid of a lot of things kay nag-accumulate na mong gamit, and I need to get rid of some things. And right now papunta daw kong Coles because I'm gonna buy pizza. We're gonna have pizza for our lunch, and then I'm gonna try to make food right now. So nag-wait kung mainit ang auto. Nag-warm up ko sa auto. Wala pa ko ka-shower and I look like shit. Paspas kay Gontual, so sina. Look at my G-Shock. G-Shock Japan. Anyway, let's go. Let's buy some food. And yeah, it's so good. In saying that, mapit ako Filipino shop na after na sa Coles. So I'm gonna go to Coles first, and then abli lagi niya gasolina. So I seen this Merc here and abling iyang gasoline tank. Okay lang, tangan ng gasolina. Anyway, let's just go. Kapoy video ito. So yeah, a day at Baronia. There you go. Right, na construction dito sa amo dito sa kanang Coles kada siya tindahan, park may grocery. So as you can see, ay construction diya napita. Ay nako. Okay, let's just go. Let's just fucking go. Kita tag pizza. Ready. Where is it? There's no pizza around here. Where? Para di akong pangita di ay. Scragdy Margarita. Let's go. So got pizza for lunch, and then edit ko nga rin I'm in the room right now. Nagawas din ganina kayo to check out some stuffs in our room, our house, because we're moving out. But okay, Laura's calling me. One sec. And then I got some bananas and brioche and okay. Unya sa gawas kay tugnaw kayo. Tugnaw and rainy. So you want to check? Here it is. Ano may bali? Para di. So tugnaw yes. Vlog unta karon, pero the thing is I need to finish a lot of things. Ako mga hinayhay nga to. Ayaw tanawa. I need to finish a lot of things. So yeah, we'll just end the vlog here, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Good day.